This is probably the most important thing about Bitcoin and about crypto that you have to know, and that's that right now we are still closer to the cycle's bottom than the cycle's peak. As of today, you can see Bitcoin has rose a lot. It's currently at about 49,000. I think it wicked above the $50,000 mark. This is the 1 week chart, so you can see kind of the history of Bitcoin. And as you can see right now, we are still very, very early. We are still in that accumulation phase. We still have not reached previous all-time highs. And as you can see from the previous charts, once we do pass that previous all-time high mark, we shoot straight up. Once again, in 2020, you can see we passed the all-time high and then we shoot all the way up to that 60K range, 69K. And this year it's exactly the same pattern. Okay, we're currently at the 49K mark. Once we get past that 60K, we're going to shoot up. And as you can see from this rainbow Fibonacci Bitcoin chart, we are still in the blue, which means we're still in the accumulation phase. In I'd say the next couple of months and the next year, we're going to see Bitcoin shoot up in price into that orange to red area. And that means we're going to go past 100,000 Bitcoin, most likely into that $150,000 to $200,000 Bitcoin range. Now, if you do have Bitcoin, I don't recommend holding out all the way until the very top. I recommend DCAing out. That's selling a portion at 80,000, selling a portion at 100,000, selling a portion at 120,000, because you do not know what's going to happen to the Bitcoin price. No one can predict it, but we do know it is going to go up. By how much? No one knows. And that brings me to the fact that you should be DCAing if you're not satisfied with your positions in altcoins. You most likely have until May to June to pack your largest bags. And by packing your largest bags, I mean your big bags, right? These are the coins that you're going to be holding for at least 12 months to avoid capital gains tax. These are your high conviction plays, okay? These are not going to be your meme coins, your degen plays. These are going to be your high conviction plays like Kaspa, like Solana, like Injective, things like that, where you know it's going to do very well in the bull run and you will hold for the next 12 months. So a lot of people ask me, what will happen post halving? Will prices fall post halving? Will we see one more giant crash? Right now it seems like everything is pumping. Maybe we'll get that one giant crash to then load up our bags and hold for the bull run. Well, the truth is, no one knows. You shouldn't hedge all of your money on the possibility of a crash, because you never know when the bull run is going to kick in. For all we know, this kind of consolidation that we're having after the recent pump could be the best chance to get in. And after this, maybe in about April or late February, we get a massive pump and we never see these prices again. So it's very important to realize that right now, even if the prices of your favorite altcoins goes down another 10 to 20%, we get a flash crash down 20%. Buying right now at these prices is still going to put you far ahead into the future when we do see those 100%, 200% days of gains. And it's honestly quite amazing how much room we still have to grow in the bull run. Right now, I'd say the best allocation of crypto to cash is about 70 to 80% crypto and 20 to 30% cash. The crypto market obviously moves super fast, so it's trying to time the market is not going to end well. It's always going to end poorly. So making sure you have a majority of your position in crypto, especially right now leading up to the halving, is probably the most important. Yes, we might see a crash after the halving. I do predict that we could see a small, maybe 10%, maximum 20% crash. But the thing is, by the time the halving comes and we do see that potential crash, that crash of 20% might even put the price higher than it is now. So buying now is not going to be a bad option. So the crypto market moves fast, and we are still in that accumulation zone. I think it's a good time to buy, and it's very important to keep in mind that you'll never get a perfect entry, okay? It's better to be into the market sooner rather than later. Now, like I showed you before, we're still in this accumulation phase. This rainbow chart never lies. It's not lied in the past 4 cycles now. So this cycle, I don't expect there to be anything different. We are still in the blue, and I believe we will go past the green. We're going to top out either around the yellow, which is that 100,000 mark, or into the orange, or even maybe the red if we do get a blow off top. And Going into the red would put us at maybe honestly close to like a $400,000 Bitcoin, which I do not believe is going to happen. I think we're more likely to top off in that orange sector right there. That would put us around 150 to 200k Bitcoin. But like I said before, you should DCA in your way out. And what about altcoins, right? What do I think is going to happen to the altcoins? Well, I think we don't have too much time left to accumulate these altcoins. Let's look at Kaspa. It's my highest conviction play. As you can see right now, we've obviously gone up a ton in the past couple of days. We've completely broken out of this descending flag triangle when we're retesting these all-time highs at the moment. This is my accumulation zone right here from the 11 cent to the 12 cent mark. But if you zoom out, right, if we zoom out, buying at these prices still gives us an amazing opportunity to profits in this target profit zone that I've drawn from the $1 to $2.50 mark. So this is where I intend to DCA my way out throughout this entire area. But as you can see, buying here, we still have a ton of profit on the table. So it's not really a bad idea to get into your favorite altcoins at the moment. If we do see a 20% dip, then just buy the dip. Okay, that's all you really need to do. You do not want to miss out on these prices. Okay, anything within this range, from especially for Kaspa, from the 10 cent to the 15 cent mark is a buy zone, and this goes without saying for any altcoin at the moment. This is the strategy that you should use. You should buy and then wait to DCA. You should get your positions in right now. You should not wait, because you do not want to hold out hoping for a crash of Bitcoin, hoping that you can time your perfect entry and that you completely miss the boat. Let's say if you're trying to time Kaspa, you're trying to time it, maybe it'll fall back down to the 9 cent range, and you wait, maybe it falls back a little bit, and you keep waiting, hoping for that 9 cents, and then boom, shoots up to 20 cents. Can't really buy it anymore. So that's just kind of my 2 cents. And yeah, that's kind of all I have for today. If you do enjoy the video, please like and subscribe, help out a small channel like me. And yeah, I'm here to grow with you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.